Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio A100. And if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first, we need to get to the adjustment mode. From the time mode like this, then press the lower left button, this one, until the second is flashing or blinking, like this. Okay, now we can reset the second using the lower right button, this one. So if it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute, like, let's wait, 29, 30, so like this, okay? And if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute, like this. Okay, now let's move to the next thing to set. You can press the top left button, this one, okay? And we are now setting the hour. You can use the lower right button to increase the number, so it will go up like this. And if you want to reduce the number, then just press and hold and it will cycle like this, okay? So let's set as now is 5 AM, okay? And yes, this watch only shows 12-hour format, so it is not showing 24-hour format. Okay, next press the top left button and we are moving to the setting of the minute. Okay, you can use the lower right button to increase the number again. So let me set back to 47. You can press and hold to speed up the process. And then press one by one, like this. Okay, and then next press the top left button again. We are moving to the month. You can use the lower right button to increase the number. Okay, let me set to 5. Okay, and then press the top left button again. Now we are setting the date. Also the same button, the lower right button to increase the number. Let me set as 28. Okay. Yes, and then again the top left button, and now is the day of the week. Also use the lower right button to change the value. So this one is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, press the top left button and now back to the setting of the second. And if you're done with the settings, you can press the lower left button or the mode button, this one. Okay, and done for the basic setting. I will also make the more detailed tutorial, so don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.